This is a second try at the hydrolysis. Found out that using salt in combination with tap water in combination with copper leads is actually really bad. It's what led to all the green stuff and the oxidization and led it to not really working. Also found out that the bubbles that were being formed were definitely just hydrogen because the oxygen on the other side was only being used to oxidize the copper and turn it into nothingness. Yeah, those leaks are still there. They will settle though. So the idea now is to just use tap water, to not do anything to the tap water. No salt, no strangities, no nothing. See if it even conducts. There should be enough impurities in the tap water. Okay, let's see. No, oh, very slight bubbling. Okay, so what is being seen is a very slight bubbling from the distilled water. Not distilled water, from just the tap water. What about the other side? There's definitely bubbles forming. Okay, see it? Definitely bubbles forming. Something strange is again there's no bubbles on the anode, on the cathode side, which must mean it's oxidizing the copper there. On this side there is bubbles. Definitely not as many. Although, to me it looks like it's speeding up. Now the idea is to, first of all, ditch the copper leads and use stainless steel or graphite. Have to purchase that from somewhere, it'll probably be a bit. And then because I'd like to keep this PLA housing, I'll make another one out of PLA or some 3D printed plastic. I need to get a solvent for the electrolyte in the water that won't destroy PLA, and I found the perfect one for that is sodium sulfate. And I plan to get some sodium sulfate and hydrous from just a chemistry supply store. Should be pretty easy because it's used in lots of like fertilizers or something like that. I moved some stuff around. You kind of see the channels of the bubbles. That does look cool. What is that? Floating. Just getting out some. What is that? Some bit of a leaf. That looks very cool. I spread out the leads a bit more this time. Nothing happening here. So yeah, I also need to get distilled water. We use the sodium sulfate, like it'll be much better than just solder to some, or use graphite rods as electrodes or stainless steel. It'll be much better than this. Get a much more surface area, stuff like that. What I'm going to try and do is put the chimney on for a bit. And yeah. See what happens. Alright, let's see what happens if I try a little bit of nothing. Interesting. Okay, particle free from the water. Still bubbling. I'm gonna try and add something new. Soda. You can just yoink. A spoon. Got the most strangely proportioned spoon on the planet. Yum, yum. Let's see what happens. Appears to be bubbling the same amount. Actually, maybe more. See it swirling. This electrode is definitely getting more corroded by the second. Let's add something. I don't know. The blueness has happened. The blue cloud is turning blue. It's very strange. Blue colour. What is that? It's like they're solid. It's like a solid kind of cloudy thing. That would be all of the tin. Ideal. Sapropor alcohol. So that does. Update. It did nothing. Got that clay cloud there again. There's a lot of bubbles here. Just didn't notice that. The water's turned blue. That's been strange. And that water's cloudy as hell. But anyways. Acetone. The smell is a bit strange. Okay, visibility issues. Appears to be bubbling quite a bit. Yeah, it's definitely bubbling a lot. I'm gonna put tape on it now. Seal this up. Then I'm gonna take it off and light it. All sealed. Okay, take this off now. Wait. I'll do it quicker. Alright. No. Oh, this one. Smells strange. Got a distinct blue. There's definitely blue particles here, blue fluff here. So we got the two blues. We disappeared the green, so all the green's gone. Must have been from the salt, but now we have liquid blue and solid blue. The brand new duo. Oh, that made it blue. Must be well, obviously it's the copper oxidation, but like, it's so disgusting. Taste test. Yeah, it says blue now. I wonder if we can eat this. It's like a paint. You probably make paint. Oh, it's probably what electroplating is, isn't it? Yeah. Just made an electroplating device. Put fish in it. Alright, this is going to continue forever. That's still bubbling, that's still blue. It's all still blue. But now it's blue. I feel like I'm going to turn blue. This is blue. Yep, so I spy with my little eye a lead which is destroyed. That looks like the Statue of Liberty. And that one's become dark again. You can see the difference in colour. And obviously the more staunch difference in colour here. So yeah, definitely to change out this metal to not be copper, to be graphite or stainless steel, which are both expensive and hard to make famous. Get some proper solvents that are better than salt or water or acetone, which was probably a bad idea. Oh, the walls are blue now. That's pretty fun. What's it smell like? It's a different chemical. A different sort of chemical smell. It's definitely got hints of acetone. It's kind of pooly or beachy, but not fully like in a chlorine way. More in like an aquatic. What do you call it? An aquarium. But none of it. Not like the bad fishy smell. It's like just like water, or like, I don't know. It's like sort of cleaning product-y. Did I put cleaning products in here? I put isopropyl alcohol in it, didn't I? So that's probably that. Yeah, it's really like, kind of like an air freshener smell, like a certain type of air freshener. Let's turn blue. I know the improvements for next time to make. Yeah.